My name's Adolfo. I'm here with Dripworks, and today we're going to be showing you the Netafim TechLine and TechLock fittings. So in today's video, we're going to be looking into TechLock fittings and TechLine fittings for your Netafim blank tubing or any emitter tubing that you might have. Some pre-cut tubes here to show you how we will be assembling some of these. First and foremost, you go ahead and you always untwist the neck. As you can see, has little white, I would say you would call it teeth washer, because it has little teeth in there. So what you do with this is you go ahead and you insert the tubing into it, and then you go ahead and you put the washer around the tip of the tubing. So when you go ahead and you insert the other end, you push it in, start twisting down, and you have a tight lock. And then you go ahead and you insert this into your female hose entry. The next one we would be looking to is a elbow. These elbows are good for 90-degree angles. And then the other ones are tees that are right here to tee off into another section that you may need. The next ones that we would be looking into are TechLine fittings. These are more like barbed fittings. You don't really need any clamps or glue to this. So with this, you would just insert one end of the tubing into this. One fun tip I like to give out to customers is that you can go ahead and you submerge this end into a cup of boiling water. Once you go ahead and do that, it'll make this end a little bit more malleable. Once you go ahead and you get it all malleable, you go ahead and you insert this end in. But once you do go ahead and insert it all the way into the middle part, it will secure right in. As long as you don't exceed the maximum pressure of 50 psi for this kind of tubing, it won't pop off like your regular kind of tubing or compression or barbed fittings that people normally use. So with that being said, thank you for watching today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.